hi, Paul.
Hello, again.
We are here, Mr. Dinsink himself.
Finally back again at Superbooth. It's lovely.
And you've got what are not originals, right?
No, these are recreations. They look like
They're not
originals.
clones?
No, they're replicas. Basically, we don't sell machines. The first thing we have to say is we sell spare parts. But our spare parts are so accurate that you can actually, as you can see, you can rebuild machines. We sell kits of the motherboards. You have to put your own components in. So they're all DIY. The cases are made by Comtronics in Austria. And so we're kind of like a decentralized business together as partners. And we work with Christian Hartig and a guy in Portugal called Philip, who's helped with 808. And so, yeah, that's what we're showing. And the new product after these two is the SH-101 recreation. This is the Re-101. I'll just turn the power off here, and I'll show you this little thing. You can actually see this is an SH-101 that was left in a garage or somewhere for about 20 years, and it became very corroded and broken. You can see there's lots of corrosion, and the whole board was basically destroyed. And what we've done here is we've put a new motherboard in here, and this highlights exactly what we're doing. We're selling spare parts for cult machines that are no longer available. So if your machine dies, now you can buy a new motherboard. And eventually this will come in a desktop case. We won't have the keyboard because it's prohibitively expensive. We'll have some sort of mini keyboard, maybe a metal form factor, just a square box. We're not actually sure that when this will be ready, probably towards the end of the year. We've got fader kits, which will be independently available, reasonable price with dust covers and stuff on them. So those sort of things will be in the Re303 web shop at some point in the future. And then we've also, like I say, we should probably listen to them.
Yeah, let's hear them.
All right, let's start off with a 909. Is if I just quickly stop it, because it's the original operating system, it's running basically the TR909 firmware. We have to stop-start a lot of the time, so you don't have any of these modern features to change between modes. So basically, if I go back to step mode, we can show you the shuffle, that classic, so loose. We've also got the flam as well, which is not on at the moment because you have to program it separately, but all that lovely kind of wobbly 909 goodness. But let's not stop there. Let's go have a look at that 808 over here. Classic Miami sound. All right, so while that's going, let me show you the 101. I'll switch it back on, hopefully it's still working. And I'm not a keyboard player, so bear with me. I'm just going to use the arpeggiator. I've got a trigger signal coming from the Re606 into the clock in, and then all these ones play lovely together, so you can always bring the 99 back in.
The Re-101 parts available?
I would imagine hopefully by the fall. We'll have fader kits available for customers within about a month, hopefully. We're just waiting for deliveries, and the way the world is, they say it's going to deliver in 6 months, sometimes it's 7, sometimes it's 8. So we're not completely clear because of the global situation, but we hope towards the end of the year we'll have kits in the shop for the Re-101 basic, you know, the motherboards and the faders. As for fader caps, we don't know yet. We haven't even got that far yet, but generally the machine will be available as soon as possible, and we'll have more spare parts in the Re-303 web shop. The 808 is already available. The cases, this is a prototype case, but I'm told they'll be available from Comptronics in about 2 months. And then of course the 99 is already available completely from Comptronics. You can get that case and from the Re-303 web shop, so that lot's all available.
Brilliant. Well, Paul.
Hey, thanks for coming again.
Thank you.
See you next time.